Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a brand new T6.1 that's already been converted by Cambridge camper vans. However, we're now adding in all of the security upgrades like Ghost immobiliser, plus also a new tracking system and a front and rear dash cam. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So obviously the customers spec this car in an absolutely lovely way. Cambridge campers have done a brilliant job on converting it to the camper. However, it's now our turn to work on the vehicle and get the system up and running, keeping the asset actually secured and in our customers' hands. What we've actually upgraded the vehicle with is some security upgrades, which we're going to be talking you through in today's video. So what we're going to be talking about to start with is the Ghost immobiliser. The Ghost immobiliser is a security system that uses factory buttons inside the vehicle to actually secure the vehicle. So it's an immobiliser on top of the factory fitted immobiliser on the vehicle. Obviously, as it comes out of the factory, because it's a new vehicle, it already has what's called a Thatcham category 2 immobiliser built into the vehicle. What the Ghost immobiliser system is what's called a CAN bus immobiliser. It goes into the CAN bus of the vehicle, basically the vehicle's brain, and it immobilises the vehicle. So in essence, you jump in your car, turn ignition on, and rather than putting the key all the way through and starting the engine, you turn to ignition on, then you enter the unique code between 4 button presses to 20 button presses. Please don't do 20, keep to 4, 5 or 6 button presses, keep it easy to use. But in essence, a really nice solution. You press into that code and then you're allowing the vehicle to start. Even with the factory key present, the vehicle will not start with the Ghost immobiliser installed until you've entered your unique code. Ghost immobiliser, there's loads of other stuff live directly on our YouTube channel of different vehicles that we've upgraded with the product. If you want to know a little bit more about that, make sure you go check those videos out, but also come by, see us. We're more than happy to spec this system with you, go through exactly how the system works. There is a full user manual already live on Autowatch Ghost website as well, which you can go check out to go through and learn a little bit more about the product if you wish. However, that's a really nice solution to actually immobilise the car and stop that vehicle from leaving. However, one thing that obviously, if the vehicle is transported away or anything like that, you still want to be alerted actually if the vehicle is moved, if even with your key is present or not. So what we've added in is something called a Thatcham S5 VTS tracker. Basically, this comes with an application on your phone called My Connected Car. You can go over to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, download that, try the demo version, actually get a better idea about what actual functionality you guys will be getting if you were to have that tracker installed. The other really nice feature about this product is something called ADR tags. Basically, a driver recognition tag. What it basically is if this vehicle is moved or started without that tag present, the tracker is always looking for that ADR tag, and you'll be alerted either by a push notification to your phone, text message, or a phone call, depending on the level of alert, and you will be notified to keep your vehicle in your control. Obviously, if the vehicle is stolen, it goes over to Vodafone Automotive, which have a 24/7 support team that liaises directly with the police to get your vehicle recovered if the worst were to happen. Hopefully ever not, but these precautions are needed to take place. Obviously, with a lovely vehicle like this, you want to keep it in your possession and keep it owned by yourself, so you don't want it stolen. That's why these solutions are so imperative. The other solution that we've added in is a front and rear dash cam solution, which is really nice. Basically, on this system, we've gone for the U1000 2 channel, which is a 4K image quality front camera plus the rear camera. However, we can also add in something called an I-Volt battery. What the I-Volt battery does is basically works for parking mode recording, so the vehicle can not only be protected while on the road, but also while parked up as well. 30 minutes of driving or so gives you about 16 hours of recording using that I-Volt battery. So it's a really cool bit of kit that can be added onto the system too. So the vehicle now visually is protected by motion detection while the vehicle is parked. Also, what we can actually do is protect it while driving along the road, obviously for the general dashcam features, but you've got speed camera detection in that as well, and it's a really nice solution. Plus, we've obviously got the immobiliser system on top of the factory fitted immobiliser, and we've also got the tracking system looking at the actual app that you've got to see where the vehicle is, set geofences around campsites, around your house, so you know exactly where the vehicle is at all times. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything step by step with you, or best thing to do is come by and see us and we'll go through everything in more detail with you there as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Otherwise, we'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching.